Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can contact Google support. So through the online version, you can describe your issue or select from these apps that you find here. There's a lot, as you can see. You can click on it and there will be like a topic or a question, or you can even describe your issue here. YouTube music community, for instance, and whatnot. You can go to the help center here for the Google answer, like what is YouTube music, etc., like how you can sign up. But if you want to look up forums, you can go to the community section and they'll like show featured, why do I say featured points here, as you can see. So you'll be able to see replies as well here throughout the forums and like how you can fix stuff. There's also like a phone number as well, but I don't know it. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.